Welcome to Review Rumble. The best car charger cam is probably one of the most ingenious and essential gadgets for any driver, seamlessly integrating a high-definition dash camera with crystal-clear audio recording directly into your vehicle's power source, offering unparalleled peace of mind and discreet surveillance without cluttering your dashboard with multiple devices, ensuring you capture every moment on the road, from unexpected incidents to scenic drives, all while keeping your devices charged and ready. Number 5. Infant Optics DXR8 Baby Monitor. Experience peace of mind with its high-quality 480p video. You'll see every detail of your little one, ensuring they are safe and sound. Rest assured with its non-Wi-Fi, hack-proof FHSS connection. This ensures your privacy and a reliable link to your baby, free from internet vulnerabilities. Customize your view with interchangeable lenses. It adapts to your needs, whether you want a wide-angle shot or a closer look. Easily monitor the entire nursery with its pan, tilt, and zoom functions. You can adjust the camera remotely to keep your child in sight. Stay informed even when the sound is off, thanks to the LED sound bar. It visually indicates your baby's activity, so you never miss a moment. Keep an eye on them even in the dark with its advanced night vision. It provides a clear image, allowing you to check on your baby without disturbing their sleep. Soothe your baby from another room using its two-way talk feature. You can speak to them directly, offering comfort and reassurance. What we like. This monitor offers superior privacy with its hack-proof, non-Wi-Fi connection. Its interchangeable lenses provide versatile viewing options for any nursery setup. If you prioritize security and need flexible monitoring capabilities for your little one, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Xbox Core Wireless Controller Robot White. Experience a modernized design with sculpted surfaces and refined geometry. This controller offers enhanced comfort during gameplay, and its battery lasts up to 40 hours. Maintain precision with its new hybrid D-pad. The textured grip on the triggers, bumpers, and backcase helps you stay firmly in control. Capture and share your epic moments effortlessly. A dedicated share button lets you seamlessly take screenshots and recordings. Play across all your favorite devices with ease. It features both Xbox wireless and Bluetooth technology, allowing you to pair and switch between consoles, PCs, and mobile devices. Connect your favorite headset using the 3.5mm audio jack. For direct plug-and-play, simply use the USB-C port with your console or PC. Make it truly yours by customizing button mappings. Use the Xbox Accessories app to tailor its controls to your unique playstyle. What we like. This controller provides superior comfort and precise control for extended gaming sessions. Its seamless multi-device connectivity lets you switch effortlessly between platforms. If you enjoy sharing your gaming moments and need a versatile controller across various devices, this is a top contender. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no positive points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 3. Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera. Experience superior outdoor security with powerful 2K vision. It captures detailed footage with HDR, ensuring clear video quality day and night. Install it with ease anywhere outdoors without worrying about cables. This provides a more flexible security system for your home. Stay informed with motion sensor notifications directly to your device. You can also communicate through it with clear two-way audio for added security. Designed to withstand heat, cold, rain, or sun, it ensures reliable surveillance. This outdoor floodlight camera also features a bright LED floodlight. Unlock premium features like 30-day video cloud storage and advanced detection. A paid subscription is required after the trial to continue these benefits. What we like. This camera provides crystal clear 2K video and powerful illumination without the hassle of wiring. Its smart detection features keep you informed of important activity around your home. If you're looking for an easy-to-install, robust outdoor security solution with advanced alerts, this model is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Lutron Pico Remote for Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch. This versatile remote effortlessly manages your Lutron Caseta dimmers and plug-in lamp dimmers. It provides convenient control over your home's lighting environment. With its intuitive 3-button design, it allows you to easily turn lights on and off. You can also brighten or darken them to set the perfect mood. Enjoy the freedom to adjust your lights from any spot in the room. This device brings convenience right to your fingertips, enhancing your living space. Designed for flexibility, it can be used as a tabletop remote or wall-mounted. Coordinating accessories like pedestals and wall plates are available separately to complement your decor. You won't have to worry about frequent battery changes. This remote boasts an impressive 10-year battery life, with the battery already included for immediate use. Each package includes one white Pico remote control. Please note that any coordinating accessories are sold separately to allow for customization. What we like. This remote offers convenient wireless control over your smart dimmers from anywhere in the room. Its impressive 10-year battery life means minimal maintenance. If you already have a Lutron Caseta system and want an easy, flexible way to manage your lighting, this accessory is a must-have. What people say. Number 1. Carpuride W903 Wireless CarPlay Android Auto Dashcam. Transform your driving experience with this intelligent display. It brings all your phone's best features to an easy-to-use HD touchscreen, handling navigation, messaging, and calls wirelessly. You'll never worry about your phone overheating or battery damage from long-term navigation again. Drive with confidence thanks to its integrated 4K front and 1080p rear cameras. This device captures clear footage day or night, offering wide-angle views and loop recording for continuous protection. It even assists with safer reverse parking by displaying both views simultaneously. Enjoy superior audio output with its enhanced Bluetooth capabilities. It connects effortlessly to your car's Bluetooth for hands-free calls and music. You can also play audio through your car's speakers using its built-in speaker, AUX, or FM transfer function. Wirelessly mirror all content from your phone directly onto its 9.3-inch HD IPS touchscreen. This feature allows you to seamlessly sync videos and movies, providing a 178 degrees wide viewing angle. It even supports bidirectional video split display for an improved viewing experience. Its unique sensor light design protects your eyes while driving. This intelligent feature automatically dims the display when you enter a tunnel and brightens it upon exit. This ensures optimal visibility and prevents eye strain in varying light conditions. Installing this system is incredibly simple and cost-effective. You can securely fix it to your dashboard or windshield, adjusting its height and length to your preference. Its plug-and-play design means you save money on professional installation. What we like. This device combines a large, vibrant display with seamless wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration. It also features a built-in 4K dual dashcam for comprehensive road monitoring and safety. If you're seeking an all-in-one upgrade for your car that enhances navigation, entertainment, and driving security, this unit delivers. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract helpful points as the input source was empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.